Hi guys, welcome. My name is Raha Bamdadi, and for the next 5 minutes, I would love to invite you to join me through a mindful meditation. Begin by finding a tall, comfortable seat, whatever that means for you. Maybe you like to come into a traditional meditation posture, cross-legged, or you prefer to sit on a chair or even lie down. As long as your spine is tall, hands are relaxed on the thighs, on the knees, or by your side. Absolutely no tension in the legs, knees, seat bones, and they all feel supported and relaxed. Take a moment to situate yourself, taking a deep breath, palms facing down, and bring your awareness inside. For the next few minutes, just allow yourself to be present, just you and your breath, nothing else. Let's begin by feeling the contact points to the earth. Maybe your knees, your shins, seat bones. Feel supported. Allow the weight of your bones to settle. Sink in the support. Allow the belly to feel soft. Let go of any tension from the day or whatever that comes up. Breathe into the nose, long, deep breaths, and just start to notice your breath. What comes easy for you? Inhales, maybe exhales. Just sense the quality of your breath. Feel the breath enter the body, nourish the lungs, travel into the bottom of the belly, filling the chest, feeling expanded into the chest. Exhale the breath slowly, feeling the worries leave the body, feeling lighter, brighter, and calmer. Whenever thoughts come in, notice them. And then just imagine with every exhale you let go of them out into the air. Relax the throat, relax the jaw, relax the cheekbones. Keep the eyes closed or the gaze inward. Let your eyelids be very soft, especially if you've been staring at a computer screen all day. Allow the eyes to rest for the next few minutes. Feel the balance between the right and the left ear. Feel perfectly balanced in the head between the right and the left ear. Then slowly bring the awareness to the skull. Imagine the empty space inside the skull. Allow your brain to rest inside the skull. Let there be space. When you're in the flow of the presence, there is no pausing, there is no freezing, there is no freezing or fear anywhere. Let it all flow. Just like the fluidity of the breath, everything is flowing. Allow your bloodstream, your pulses to be fluid. Let your belly flow, let your lungs flow. Bring the same sense of flow and space to your chest. Allow space and breath to come into the chest. Feel the front and the back of the chest. Envision the fresh breath entering through the body, bringing balance and flow to every inch of your body, every single cell, every joint, every nerve, spreading from the crown of the head to the very tip of your toes, feeling light, balanced, and full of fresh new force of life and force of energy. Namaste.